everyone. Welcome on my way. My name is Pooja. And first of all, I'm sorry for my ugly outfit. I just got done with the project and I just didn't want it to change. I'm so tired for it. Today, we are going to upcycle some vases, and it's not going to be the normal one, including baking soda and paint. It's going to be more than that. Yes. So let's get started. To work on this project, you're going to be needing some vases, any kind of clay, baking soda, and some paints. I bought this vase from Dollar Store, and this is common design and usually available in all the stores. And to make a pair, I bought the blue garlic shaped vase that has a very textured lines in it. So I thought that can make a good pair with the vase that I'm gonna make, and it worked for me. Then to upcycle this vase, I chose to make a face-like shape on it, and to do that, on a folded piece of paper, I drew a shape for a forehead and a nose, and that made my next step very easy. And to make this shape on a clay, I took non-fire clay, and which is normal modeling clay, in which there is no need to bake it in oven. It dries naturally, and you can know that by changing its color to white from gray. And with the reference of the paper, I cut the first part of this shape, which is nose and a forehead, and it was looking as expected. And then I put the clay piece on a vase. And to make it look handmade, I tapered the edges and I went over the piece with water brush. And for the last step, to make a lips, I made this oval shape with the not so very sharp ends. I put cut in the middle, and I removed some clay to make it more like lips. And for the other blue vase, I simply mixed the colors and the baking soda together. I did not want small vase to be super white, so I did tiny bit of tan color in it. It was blue vase, and yes, I forgot to prime it. So I had to do 3 coats. Then I let those things dry for overnight, and in the morning I stick the parts. While making mistakes and crying, sad. Then I had speckle for rescue, and it worked good for these damages. After drying that, I performed rituals of sanding and smoothing. And this is how it was looking in the end. And to make it look complete, I spray painted the first coat, spray painted with black color. And for the second coat, I did the same process as before. I mixed the black color and a baking soda to give this vase a texture. And for the small vase, I painted the neck with leftover black color, and it was random. I thought they will look good together, so I did it. This project is very similar to the other DIY projects that you might have seen people doing with the air dry clay or polymer clay. The only thing is they go with the line art. In this project, I have used normal clay, not the polymer clay or not the air dry clay. And I would suggest you to use those two, just because this clay is pretty hard to deal with sometimes. I almost broke a piece while I was putting all this together on a vase. So if you are not clumsy, I would suggest you to go with this. Otherwise, you can always use polymer clay or air dry clay on a safe side. And I hope you've already decided to make this, and let me know how do you like this project, and I will see you all in the next video.